What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. This here is actually my brother's Husqvarna 128LD. His bump head basically got destroyed, so I'm going to install this new one. And here's that other head. I had to use this little pick to clean out this hole. And then to prevent the head from spinning, I'm just going to stick this guy in. Once it's in there, see, the head doesn't spin. Now, everything you normally want to do is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This is lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. Okay. Okay, pull that out. So, actually a very easy process. I think I will see about buying some grease, lube this back up for when I take it down to them. But I'll try to bring you guys along when I do that. But yeah, changing out this head was pretty easy. I bought this on Amazon. I think it was $8.99, and it came with an extra bumper, the bump cap. So I'll go ahead and make sure I link it down in the description. If you guys have any questions, make sure you drop it down in the comments. Thanks for checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.